Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you replacing the coolant regulator for the Audi S3 TFSI 2015. I'm gonna start on it. The job may need to take out the intake manifold because the fuel regulator, the water pump on it as well. Water regulator. Water coolant regulator. Then I bought the new one from TPS, which is this is the part for it. It costs £220. Water pump gonna fit to the side. They have connection from there. You'll fit the block with the that 3 screw over there. Anyway, I will show you the next video. Thank you. Which is the water cooler regulator here. This is the part. What you need to do, you need to remove the intake manifold. But when you remove the intake manifold, there's sensor, that one, and the crankshaft sensor is put it on this location because that will face down. And make sure when you remove it, don't pull it straight away because you need to be disconnected from here. Then that one and that one, this one, all need to be disconnected. Because you cannot remove it. Then there is another hello, this is my second video for the Audi S3 2015 coolant regulator replacing. Now the intake manifold has been removed. That's the intake manifold, but when you remove the intake manifold, you can see the location, the clips. Them clips, this is for that one and this one and this one. You need to be disconnected, all of them. Open the oil filter, disconnected that sensor as well on the side on the manifold from here for the flap. Then you can gently remove the intake manifold. Then after, you need to remove all the pipes, then remove the coolant pump. Anyway, I'm gonna show you next video. Thank you. Again, this is the S3. The coolant pump regulator is there, the complete unit. So on the back of the pump, there's that joint pipe. You need to take it out, but not easy to remove it. And there's the belt on the water pump, and you have to remove the belt, that belt. To remove the cover, there's something on the top like a cover. Now the pump is free, but they still need to connect it, disconnected one plug underneath. So the plug is down there. They got like a white lock on the back. You need to unlock it, then you can remove it. It's right there. You need to disconnect it, this one. Then you need to clip, white clip, little bit, pull it back, then press it down, then it will come out. Anyway, this is the complete unit. Ridiculous design, is not really good design. Anyway, I think the leaking is from here. So from this area, or from here, because you see marking there. Could be anywhere, because there's the gasket location. That's the gasket location here. Could be, you never know, maybe around this gasket. And the little joint pipe is going into this one. Anyway, this the design is not really good. The water pump running on the side with a little belt, like a funny timing belt. Wherever this one snap, then the car start overheating. And that's the wing on the top of the belt. It's like a cover. You're going like this way onto there. You have to remove it before, otherwise you cannot slide out the belt. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck. Hope you enjoy. The time to put it back in. The little joint pipe is here. Make sure put the grease and stuff. Then put this side first. Then what you need to do, you need to put it like this way down. Put that one in, then put slightly in. Then we're gonna fit. But make sure before doing that, make sure clean this area for the gasket, and if you can put slightly silicone, it's better for more safer in case. Hello, now the pump has been set up perfect, completely done. For the cover, which is on the belt, on the water pump belt, that's cover. They go put it with the 2 screw, one of them, and one is down there. You can do it with the small ratchet. You can see down there. You have to put it back after done job. This is down there. That's the one. I'm gonna take it out on you because now it's fully tighted. See here? That's it. It's fully tighted. Make sure put it back in because it's tied the water pump to not let you leak. And that's the other one. But you need to remove it as well before take it out the pump. Otherwise, they're not possible to take it out. All the screws been done in there as well. But make sure not forget that some stuff down there. They put it back in. This here. And now is job done nearly, because need to put the all the pipe back together. Only clip it back in, then put the manifold, everything back in. At least about 2.5 hour, or maybe 3 hour job. Anyway, thank you very much and good luck.